Hi, my name is Hoston, the electrical team leader of HKU RoboMaster team. In this video, I'd like to share my achievement in undergraduate life. Participating in the RoboMaster competition, a robotic version tower defense game. I've joined RoboMaster competition for 2 years. I'm very glad to be one of the members in Hercules. In the competition, 7 moving robots and 1 drone are dispatched for base defense and coastal attack. Overall, 8 robots and a missile launcher will be built up by our team, and competing with around 200 universities around the world. Apart from that, I met many new friends from different universities and learned many technical skills of robotic design. As a team member, I learned how to design the propulsion mechanism of SolidWorks, develop power and signal system for robotics, and coding for machine learning, especially the regenerative braking technology, which is commonly adopted in electric vehicles. Hope to see you in our next year competition.